So hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about some more feature of the M365 admin portal. So here we are discussing about the setup. So basically, if you have already purchased the M365 admin, or we can say the tenant you have created through your CSP partner, so we have the multiple option that you can use for enhance the productivity and security of your M365. So if you are going to this sign in and security sections, you will get the multiple option over here. It depends that what kind of license do you have, and you after configuring or after purchasing the license, based on the license you can apply these policies or these services in your tenant. So if you have the directory of your for example existing directory, and you want to sync some attribute and make a connectivity between that, then you can use this enter id, and you can see the if your organization never established the mfa for your tenant, so you can use this option to enable the mfa. So it will give you the status of that, okay, so I have it's set up for my tenant or not. Custom domain setup, you can use this option. It will directly move to the domain setup section. Limit admin access to they need, like you need to limit the access of the global admin access credentials, or you can say the global admin rules in your tenant. So you can just set the limit of the admin credentials, so you can just go over here and manage it. So once you have clicked the manage section, you will get the list of the admin assigned global admin users. You can remove it from there. Okay, so you can easily manage it the credentials directly from there in the setup sections. Privacy and compliance is the add pronouns. It means that if you have, for example, some of the name have the name in your organization which is using for this male and female, like for example if we are discussing about Jaspreet. Okay, so sometime Jaspreet in the Punjabi, you we can use this Jaspreet name as a girl as well as for man. But how the end user can identify, okay, the Jaspreet is a male or female? So the pronouns section will help you to identify the we can say the sex of the person. So if I just go to the add pronoun sections and if I enable it, so also you can manage it from there. Okay, you once have clicked it, you need to turn on this option. So after turn on these sections, you will the end user will get the options to pronounce themselves as a male or female. So they will once they have opened the profile in the teams channel, so they can add the option. They will got the options, like if I, for example, if I'm going to the teams. Okay, in the team sections, uh, so once it teams will open, we give you the idea that how we can manage or how we can use the pronoun sections in the uh, Microsoft 365 teams. And these things will help you for most of the time that user will the confused about it. So if I just click on the options over here, and also what I can do, I can go to open my profile. Okay, so I'm just opening myself. Okay, so here once it load, it will give me the feature like add pronouns. So if I am, like for example, I'm not aware about that who is the mod administrator. He is a male or female. So what they can do, they can just click on the add pronouns sections. It will give you the example, or you can say the enter your pronouns and select the example. So who are you? So you can use she and her, he as him, So they can identify yourself as a male and female. But it's useful for some time. I'm not saying that it's useful for every time, but sometime it will helpful for organization. App and email, if you want to block internet explorer, which is unsupported by the Microsoft, or we can say the out of support for the Microsoft, that you can block it, that user will not be able to access Office 365 account through that browser. Even get fast and browsing Microsoft Edge, that you can use it, you can turn on these options to that user can easily access Microsoft 365 applications easily from Microsoft Edge for securing and fast get fast more actions over here. Even if you can get the more feature update from the Microsoft, that you it will automatically fetch update it, so you can manage from there. You can just click on it and it you will get the feature of the update. Even if you don't want to install, if you want to block that nobody will install the application on their devices, so you can easily use these options to disable the feature of the M365 office installation. Also we have the option that file and content, device management, if you have the Intune functionality on your app, your license, okay, billing and license, these things that you can easily use it. And the thing is the in the report sections we have the multiple options over here in the adoption score. So basically what is the adoption score is, so adoption score basically they're like, for example, if in your organization recently starting working on the Microsoft 365, so they are not aware about that how we can use these M365 application. And sometime if you switch yourself from third party to M365, most of the user not using M365 for communication. So what you can do, you can use this option, the adoption score will give you the idea that how much organization using these M365 multiple features for connecting with each other and communicating with each other internally as well as externally. So what you can do, you can set up a message, a custom message for particular application. So what you can do, you can just click, you can see that in the action option we have the multiple predefined, or we can say the predefined notification that user will automatically get it on when once they open the M365. Okay, so how you can do that, how you can schedule that message. So if I'm going to the view detail section, in the view detail section uh, we have an options to reach, okay, see what action you can take. So if people is not using the teams and you want to aware of the team, that you have to communicate only for the from the teams, you can connect with the colleagues with the teams. So these things that we can use it, it will automatically give you the recommended action or related content that you can use it. Okay, so communication, welcome to the inbox, creating send mailbox. So these kind of notification that you can use it, that end user can easily identify, okay, so I have to use this for my particular work. So I'm just going to the manage activity sections, we have the predefined draft message. So I just check the all available actions and I'm just clicking for teams meeting summary, encourage the people to send teams meeting summaries. Okay, so you just create a message. Once it is loaded, it will give you the make a recommended you to users, okay, which action you required, which kind of include and exclude options that you can use it for users, time frame. If I'm going to the next section, I will get the message, select the message, okay, what kind of a message we required from admin. Okay, share the meeting notes, share the list of the action of the item, help. So these kind of predefined that you can use it, I just click on this share meeting notes. and you can see the preview. If I am going, that user will identify, okay, from your admin share meeting notes and follow up action item with attendees. So these things that will automatically pop up for after in the meeting, completion of the meeting, or while meeting, they will automatically notified once they open the Teams. Okay, I'm just click on the next. Now I can use the edit audience. I can add the filter. I can choose the group which I have created for this notification. You can add the, even you can just uncheck it, it will automatically apply for all the organization. Even you can use the prior omit for user with priority account, the group. Okay, next. Now it's option the start and end date. Okay, it's up to you that you can start with the from 22. I can give the notification for 30th September. And when it will automatically pop up, it once in a week, once in a month, twice in a month. So this up to you that what kind of selected interval you required. Once you have complete the next, it give you the preview, it give you the summary of that, you what actions you are required. You can edit it again, you can change the date. Okay, so once you have scheduled it, it will automatically confirm and schedule your action for your organization. So it, what they do, it they will help your organization to uh, start working on the particular actions that what you required and what you want to do with the employee, which is mandatory for the organization. It helpful for that enhancing the productivity as well as the understanding, or you can say the insight or manageability. Okay, these things that you can use it for the adoption score. Thanks for the time, thanks for the watching my video. Next video we will discuss about the usage and the organization message which we have already discussed in the adoption score. uh, Next video we will discuss about the usage, that how we can get the usage report of the M365 application and user level. Have a good day.